Hola amigos, ¿qué pasa? ¿Cómo estás? Pardon my Spanish here, but I just wanted to shoot a video on the sound that a VTX 1800 makes. We'll do both the exhaust sound and the engine sound. And if you are so discerning, you probably would be able to hear ever so lightly a small hum from the shaft. It's very inaudible. It's, if you've driven a lot of bikes, you've probably come to know it's a little different from how a um, bell-driven bike makes the sound. But anyway, let's get to it, and we'll look at both the exhaust and the engine sound. The exhaust is more like a tractor. It's like put 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 put, that kind of a thing. And the engine, if it is tuned properly, the valves, they make a very small sound of what can be thought of as a sewing machine, right? Okay, let's crank it up.